Yeah, welcome to machine learning course. Uh, Already you have studied some basic courses like object-oriented programming and also Python. Uh, um, we will see the syllabus of machine learning course and credit hours and also course outcomes. What do we study this subject? What are the objectives? First of all, we will see the course title, yeah, machine learning, and which is given course code CSE 2019. Uh, Here for this course, 3 credits hour, theory credit hour given, and two practical hours. Each hour is having a 0.5 credit, so 2 into 0.5, 1 credit. So 1 plus 3 theory credit hours, 4 credit. And this is the version 1 machine learning syllabus. And here uh, for this course, you need not to study any prerequisite, and also there is no anti-requisite. What are the objectives? Why do we study this subject? Uh, to know the fundamental algorithms of machine learning to solve the problems and provide understandings of techniques and algorithms used in machine learning to facilitate further study in the domain, right? And also it is providing understanding of limitation of various machine learning algorithms and the way to evaluate the performance of different machine learning algorithms. And um, fourth objective is practice software implementation of different concepts, different machine learning concept and algorithms. So these are the objectives, and we will see about course outcomes. Here we are having the 4 course outcomes. What is the purpose of 4 course here? Uh, Course in the sense subject. Here our course is machine learning course with course code CSE 2019. And once you are completing this course, when you are completing this course, what are the benefits you will attain? You will attain. What is the knowledge you will have when completing this course? During completion of this course, each student understands basic machine learning techniques, basic machine learning techniques. And second course outcome, each student at the end of this course able to identify the classification algorithms and apply that classification algorithms in a real-time environment, real-time problems. Course outcome 3, at completion of this course, each student able to analyze what is the neural network and different neural network models and ensemble models. This is the course outcome 3. And course outcome 4, at completion of this course, student able to know what is hidden Markov model and regression techniques, clustering techniques, and also outlier detection in the clustering techniques. Okay, so and also you can identify different algorithms to implement that particular algorithm to solve the real-time problem. That is the thing. So on the whole, each student able to identify basic machine learning algorithms and also applying that machine learning algorithms to solve the real-time problem. Okay, that is the main course outcomes of this machine learning CSE 2019 course. And there is program outcomes. Course means subject, program. Program in the sense here PROGRAMEE. This is the program. Okay, BTech program. BTech program. Okay, PO means BTech program outcomes. BTech computer science and business systems program outcomes. Right. So here we are having 12 program outcomes. Each course here will map with some of the program outcomes. Here we are having 12 programs. You look at for program outcomes. We are having 12 program outcomes. You look at here 12 program outcomes. Okay, you will study different courses throughout the 5 years integrated course. You are MTech people or BTech people?
Sir, BTech.
Yeah, BTech. Yeah, in BTech we are having 4 years. In this 4 years, you will come across so many courses. Each course will map with different program outcomes. Different program outcomes. Okay, so here, course outcome 1 is under giving the knowledge to the student to understand about basic machine learning techniques. Here, which is related to program outcome 1, program outcome 2, and here this is program educational objectives. Program educational objectives. Here you see first program outcome is engineering knowledge. Engineering knowledge, that means each student when he is getting graduation, BTech graduation, he will attain computer science and engineering knowledge. That is the meaning. Okay, for what? To solve the complex problems. To solve the complex engineering problems. Okay, that is the main thing. And the second program outcome, when the student is completing the graduation, BTech graduation, he should attain the knowledge to identify, formulate, review research literature, and analyze complex engineering problems. Right? The student should able to analyze the given problem, that is reaching substantiated conclusions using principles of engineering sciences. Our computer science is related to engineering sciences. Okay, then third program outcome, you see design and development of solutions. Design or development of solutions to the real-time problem. That real-time problem which is related to public health and safety and cultural and societal or environment. Okay, so the student able to design the solution for the problems related to these domains. And fourth program outcome, when student getting the graduation, he will have the knowledge to conduct investigations of complex problems. He can conduct the investigation. That means he can analyze the problem in depth. Analyze the problem in depth based on his research based knowledge. Based on his research knowledge. So based on that, he can conduct the investigation in depth about particular problem and able to provide the solution. That is the meaning of fourth program outcome. Fifth program outcome, if there is any modern tools, Okay. uh, Here the student able to create or selecting the existing tool or applying the appropriate tool and resources, modern engineering and information technology softwares to predict and modeling to solve the complex engineering problems. So if there is any tools available, the students should able to know to use that modern tools to solve the problems. That is the meaning. The sixth program outcome, engineer and society. So when student getting the graduation, he able to apply his reasoning knowledge to assess the society, health, safety, legal, and cultural problems relevant to the professional engineering practice. That is the thing. And seventh program outcome, he should design the solutions which is should not whenever he is creating the models or prototype or designing the solutions or algorithms that should not impact the environment, that should not affect the environment, and also that should be sustainable. Eighth one, whenever the computer science engineer designing the solution or develop the solution, he should follow the ethics. He should not copy or uh, stealing the knowledge of others. Okay, you should not copy the content of others to your problem or solution. Okay, then ninth one, individual and teamwork. Here to design the solution or to identify the solution, to analyze the problem, you can do individual or by forming the team. So here this PO you will attain when you are doing the uh, projects. Projects, when you are doing the projects, you are able to know how to form the team. How will you uh, divide the work between the team members? Then how can you collect the members modules? Then again, how will you combine all the modules together to complete the project? So you can learn uh, that uh, partitioning, dividing the work and managing the people, right? And adapting the teamwork, right? Yeah. So all these things you will able to learn, right? Then 10th one, communication, right? In the communication, so when you are presenting your projects, when you are presenting your projects or seminar, any presentation, you are able to develop your communication. You are able to develop your communication. So this communication will be used to analyze the problem, and the after analysis you should able to present in front of others. That means communicate with others, use effectively on engineering activities. What are engineering activities? Analyzing the problem, developing the solutions, right? Designing the algorithms. These are all engineering activities, right? So you should able to communicate with others fluently, right? And 11th program outcome, uh, after completion of bit program, you should able to manage the project. That's what if there is any project available, you should able to divide the work and complete the work on time. That is important. Okay, completion of the project on time, and uh, able to spend amount, right? Able to spend amount for the reasonable work and managing that amount. So everything will comes under the program outcome, project management and finance. And finally, 12th program outcome, lifelong learning. When you are learning the particular knowledge, that knowledge how you will use throughout your life. That means if you are becoming the software engineer, right, how can you utilize your learned courses in your software engineer life. That is the meaning, right? So when you are learning this course, right, machine learning course outcome related to engineering knowledge, you will get the knowledge about the basic machine learning techniques, and you are able to analyze the problem by using basic machine learning techniques. CO2 is mapping with engineering knowledge, problem analysis, and designing the solution. PO4 is investigating the complex problems, and the fifth one is modern tools. Here we will use some modern tools like neural network designing tools and animation tools, right? So that's why we are this one is related to the PO5. And course outcome 3, again, which is related to all first 5 program outcomes, and CO4 also related to all first 5 program outcomes. First one is the engineering knowledge, second one is problem analysis, third one designing the solution, fourth one is investigating the complex problems, and the fifth one is modern tool usage. Do you have any doubt in this course outcomes?
No, sir.
Yeah, we will move on to the next one. Totally 45 hours allotted to this course. In this 45 hours, first module is introduction about the machine learning. Here we will learn about different learning methods, supervised learning. In the supervised learning, we will try to learn the basic concepts of data engineering, feature engineering. Okay, feature engineering, which are the topics to be completed within the first 8 hours. Then next 8 hours is given to learn about classification algorithms. Here we are having different classification algorithms: naive Bayes, uh, Bayesian networks, decision tree, random forest, and KNN. So these are all different classification algorithms we are going to learn within the 8 hours. Then module number 3, neural network models and ensemble models. Here, neural networks are used for classification, and also here one more method is given, support vector machine. That is also one of the classification algorithm which is used to classifying the given data. Then some ensemble classifiers like bagging method and boosting methods. Bagging method is here again random forest, which is given here, and boosting technique, some ADA boost, gradient boost, and extreme gradient boost algorithms. So this neural network models and ensemble models are to be completed within 8 hours. Then fourth module is related to hidden Markov model. Here the hidden Markov model is having three different algorithms like a forward algorithm and a backward algorithm, and the third one is Viterbi algorithm, which is also useful to classify the given data. This hidden Markov model also to be completed within 8 hours. Then fifth module is regression algorithms. Here, the regression algorithms, again, we are having two types, one variable regression and multivariable regression, linear regression and logistic regression, some optimization methods, a Lasho method and a ridge method. So this will be covered in 6 hours. Then last module, sixth one, which is useful to learn about clustering concepts. This is unsupervised learning. So here here until here we are learning about supervised learning algorithms. Okay, supervised learning algorithms. Then last module is useful to learn about unsupervised learning. Here unsupervised learning. Any doubts? In clustering methods, we are having different kind of algorithm. Here, the clustering approaches are BARCH, CURE, DB scan, 8 method, anomaly detection method, and outlier reduction methods. These are all clustering concepts. K nearest neighbor is again supervised learning, which is useful to find out um, here classification for again. So this to be completed in 7 hours. So totally 45 hours. So here for this we have to spend 45 hours, right? That is given here. On a lab exercise, mini project you have to do by using given data set that we will do. We will use Jupyter Notebook in Python. We will do it. Here, clustering algorithm we will apply and association rule mining, anomaly detection algorithms. This one is EM algorithm for real-time problems. To learn about these concepts, one of the book, specialized book, which is written by Tom Mitchell, machine learning title, published by Tata McGraw-Hill on 2017. And another one textbook, Etham Alpaidin, Introduction to Machine Learning, which is published in 2007 by MIT Press. And so 6 reference books are given here. One is Pattern Classification, second edition, and pattern recognition and machine learning. So this is already given, but learning, I mean, edition is different. You look at here, edition is different. Then foundations of machine learning, statistical pattern recognition, and this is useful to know about hands-on programming. I mean, there is code available you can use for coding. So this 6 reference books are also useful for learning machine learning. And more mode of evaluation, 3 tests, cat1, cat2, and FAT, and lab assessment and internal assessment. Okay, so this is about the evaluation method. Here, the main thing is you should know why do you study this subject. Okay, so important thing is you should understand about basics of machine learning and supervised learning and unsupervised learning to solve the real-time problem, right? This is about the machine learning course. Code is CAC 2019.